Hello everybody, and a warm welcome to Team 2 of ICT1002 Python project. Today we'll be demonstrating our program, the Procurement Analysis System, which simplifies the procurement history to provide useful and insightful information to its user. Without further ado, I'll start the program. So this is the first screen that the user sees, which will have 3 inputs for the user to fill out, prior which we'll query the CSV files and provide a saving location for the exported TXT files as well. The two required CSV files are the procurement CSV and the registered contractor CSV file. Without providing either of the following CSV files, the program will actually prompt a message. So in this case, we'll actually have to provide both the correct CSV files and the save path. So in this screen, which will actually provide the user with the agency procurement in ascending and descending order as well. The next tab will actually provide the awarded contractors. The following tab will provide the top 5 awarded contractors, as well as the procurement awarded to the registered and non-registered contractors as well. In the next tab, we actually have the sorting by departments, which actually encompasses the umbrella of agencies under it, given for example education, which will provide the agencies under it as the SEAB, Assumption Pathway School, Northlight, ITE, MOE, and Ngee Ann Poly, and many more. So in the next tab, we actually have the open functions, which allows the user to create a pie chart based on the top 5 awarded contractors, which the user can actually move around, zoom in, zoom out, and of course save. So for this example, we actually save in the D drive. Next up, we actually have topic modeling, which is actually a type of statistical modeling for discovering the abstract topics that occur in the procurement CSV, which is frequently used in text mining for the discovery of hidden semantic structures in the text body, which the team actually used this technique to analyze the agency description and identify relevant keywords. So in the interest of time, I will actually pull up the results that I've gotten earlier on, as this will take some time to query the CSV files that was provided. Of which the results actually provided us with the topic of the first, second, third, and so on. Up next, we actually have the Singapore map. So in this map, it actually provides the top 5 awarded contractors and their locations on the Singapore map, of which the first are Singapore Poly, Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Manpower, NEA, and the SCORE. Up next, we have the search function, which actually searches on the agencies that the user wants to search, given for example, the Auditor General's Office, which will provide the information such as the spendings for the procurement. Last but not least, we actually have our email function, which actually provides the user to receive the top 5 awarded agencies. Should the user not enter any information, it will actually prompt an error. Here we go. So in the next, I'll actually provide my own personal email. Which we can actually see over here. So up next, we actually want to check on our export function, whether it has worked or not. So for this, we can actually head to D drive. This can be actually seen in this screen. Our save locations is the D drive under the exported. So let me just refresh this and we'll have it. So these are the agencies imported, as well as if you wish to receive the pie chart, you can actually see it from here. And as well as the Singapore map is over here as well. So that brings us to an end to our presentation. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day.